Hey there, and welcome to this explainer. Today, we're unpacking a really brilliant framework from Speaksmart USA. It's called the Architect of Fluency, a blueprint for confident English. You know, if you've ever felt stuck, frustrated, or maybe just a little too nervous to open your mouth and actually speak English, then this blueprint, it is absolutely for you. We are going to shift your mindset right here, right now, going from anxious to completely confident. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's dive into this. We're going to cover 4 straightforward steps today. Master active listening, the 40-minute daily routine, speak before you are ready, and finally, the mindset of fluency. It's a totally manageable process. So, starting off with section 1, master active listening, we're going to fundamentally change how you consume English media. You see, we all love watching movies or tuning into our favorite interviews and podcasts, right? But here's the thing. The way you listen actually matters way more than how much you listen. Most of us are stuck in passive listening. That's where the words just kind of wash over you while you follow the story. But to really level up, you need active listening. This means zeroing in on pronunciation. It's like a giant puzzle. You start noticing exactly how native speakers link their words together. You're watching their tone, you're looking at their facial expressions, you're actually studying the language, not just letting it play in the background. To actually do this, the source lays out a game changer of a method called pause and repeat. It's a quick micro practice with 4 super easy steps. First, you listen to just one sentence. Then you literally pause the audio. Next, you repeat exactly what you just heard. And finally, you copy the pronunciation, the speed, and the rhythm. This technique forces you to perfectly match the native speaker. You listen, you pause, you repeat. It sounds ridiculously simple, but I'm telling you, it improves your speaking incredibly fast. Moving right along to section 2, the 40-minute daily routine. Let's tackle learner fatigue and totally debunk the myth that you need to study for 5 hours a day. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how the Speaksmart USA routine breaks everything down into 4 perfectly balanced, bite-sized chunks. You spend 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes listening, 10 minutes reading, and 10 minutes on vocabulary practice. It hits all the critical language skills without letting you get totally exhausted by any single one of them. No more burning out. And when you add all that up, what do you get? Exactly 40. Just 40 minutes a day. Whew, right? That is literally the secret sauce. Small, daily effort is what creates massive, long-term improvement. You absolutely don't need to dedicate your entire evening to staring at a textbook. Just carve out 40 minutes of consistent effort every day, and those results are going to compound like crazy over time. Okay, section 3, speak before you are ready. This is the output phase where we push past the fear and actually start talking. So, you've been listening actively, you've got your 40-minute routine locked in, and now? Now it is time to practice with real people. Friends, language partners, online groups, whatever works for you. And the absolute core piece of wisdom here is this. Start before you feel ready. Waiting around until you feel perfect is a huge trap. Because honestly, you will never feel 100% ready before opening your mouth. Making mistakes is just part of the whole shebang. Stepping up right now, today, is how real growth actually happens. And while you're out there getting practice in, keep these pronunciation tips in mind. First, speak slowly. Make sure to open your mouth clearly and pronounce each word properly. Do not rush. Seriously, a lot of people think speaking fast equals being fluent, but actually, scratch that. It really doesn't. Speaking clearly sounds way more confident than just mumbling quickly. The source also points out that imitating Native American speakers, really copying their style, will naturally smooth out your accent over time. Finally, we arrive at section 4, the mindset of fluency. This is the maintenance phase. And as your virtual coach, I gotta remind you that this is a journey. Keeping your head in the game is half the battle here. Learning English is a marathon, not a sprint. Some days you're gonna feel like an absolute genius, and other days you'll be super frustrated. And you know what? That is completely normal. Fluency isn't magic. It's daily practice, confidence, and consistency. So please don't throw in the towel on those tough days. Every single time you practice, you're leveling up. Even if it feels agonizingly slow in the moment, trust the system. As long as you don't quit, you are moving forward. To help build up that psychological armor, we're going to do a little exercise right now. The Speaksmart USA blueprint is huge on vocal affirmations, so I want you to literally repeat after me. Yes, out loud, wherever you are. Ready? Here we go.
I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am becoming more confident. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I will speak English fluently. Amazing. You need to say these sentences every single day. Believe them, practice them, and live them. Stick to these habits, and you will absolutely transform into a confident speaker. Which leaves us with this final vital question to think about. Will you speak English confidently today? I really want you to commit to this right now. Drop a comment below saying, I will speak English confidently, and definitely share this explainer with a friend who's on the exact same journey. Remember the Speaksmart USA motto. Speak smart, speak clearly, and speak with confidence. Keep up the daily practice, and I'll see you in the next explainer.